Lentils are very good source of protein. This moonglet lentil recipe is vegan and it is so soft inside but crispy outside. It's an ideal lunchbox recipe for kids and it is highly nutritious. Let's see how to make these yummy moonglets. For this recipe, I took 1 cup of yellow moong lentils or mung lentils. I rinsed in water and soaked the lentils for about 3 hours. I'm going to transfer this to blender now. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Then add half a cup of water and grind it to a smooth batter. To this batter, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and some chopped green chili. Then add some chopped coriander leaves, chopped carrot, some onions and some chopped bell pepper. You can add any veggies of your preference. Finally, add some salt and give it a good mix. If you have watched this far, will you please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel? That will really help my channel grow. This lentil batter is quite dense, so let us make this light by just adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda or salt. Give it a mix again. In just a few seconds, you will notice that the batter has turned airy and fluffy. Next, heat a pan and add some oil. Pour batter and we are going to be making thick pancakes but in Indian style. Close the pan and cook until the top becomes dry. Then flip and cook. Just make some holes on the top so the batter gets cooked through when you flip and cook it again. There we have our yummy, delicious street-style moonglets ready. Try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. Thanks for watching.